Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. So, facts that he did a Chevy 10 car challenge, and he put the challenge to all of his subscribers. I'm one of his subscribers, so I accepted the challenge. So first up, I thought I'd do a video on 10 different Chevy castings from 10 different diecast brands. So I started looking through my plastic containers. The first few were not difficult to find. Here is a Hot Wheels one, loads of Chevys there. It's a Matchbox one, same thing, a lot of Chevys. Majorette did, if I'm not mistaken, the Silverado and the Camaro. So I also have quite a few of those, so no problem there. Maisto also does a few Chevys. I have a few different castings of Maisto too, so that wasn't a problem either. Burago does a few Corvettes, so I picked this one. Then here we have RMZ City, the more premium ones these are. So they have a few Corvettes too, no problem there. This is a green light. This is the only Chevy green light I have, so that was a bit of a lucky find already, and it started to get difficult. Then I bumped into this thing, a Hasbro Transformers. It's a Camaro with a robot on the bottom. Counts 2, I think. And then I had to start digging through my childhood collection, and I found this one in the Near Mint collection that I haven't showed yet on Throwback Thursday. This is a Camaro Z28, but this was the last one I could find, and there's only 9 of these. So then I thought I can't do this video because I don't have 10 of them. So I got another idea. Why don't I try to find 10 emergency vehicles? So I started looking and I found 10. So let's look at all of them. This is the Hot Wheels 2010 Camaro SS in black. That's a Hot Wheels police livery. Hot Wheels Police Department Highway Patrol. I like the way they did the blue windows, so that the light bar that is also part of the windows can be blue. That's the only way they can do it nowadays. Cost saving and stuff, so that's nice. I like it that way. And here they did the same thing but with red windows. This is a American card, by the way. Sometimes we get these American cards here in Europe. Don't know how that happens, but sometimes do. This one is in a very nice blue color. Pretty much the same deco here, yeah. These were released in the same year, 2016 I believe. J12, yep. So very nice with the push bar in front and everything. Then we got this Corvette, does not have a light bar on top. This is from 2011, at least a 2011 release. I don't know what year this Corvette is, a C6. City of Lafayette Police Deco, to serve and protect. Nice one. And then the last Hot Wheels, also a Corvette. This is a 2016 release, also an American card. the 2014 Corvette Stingray. Now this one has some issues with the window piece. It's kind of I don't know, it has some kind of a rash or something, but they all have that. I've seen several of these, and they all seem to have that, so I don't know why that is. I'm not a big fan of the big plastic piece here instead of a metal roof and then the A-pillars being metal. Not a big fan of it, but you know, it is what it is. Pretty much comparable decos with the Camaros. Then we go to Matchbox. This was new in 1995. Also an American car. It says It says new color Camaro Police Pursuit. Show you the back here. So back in those days, these have the Tyco wheels, by the way. Back in those days they had a separate piece for the light bar. Looks very nice. It's not on straight, but you know, a little bit adjustment, it will be fine. So this got a Matchbox Police Department deco. Looks cool. Next one, same vehicle, Camaro police car, also an American card. This has a 99 copyright, so probably released in 2000. There, deco to resist drugs and violence. Also with the light bar, but not the silver part in the middle like that one has. See, a little bit different. It's got the nicer metal wheels. Then we got the 97 Chevy Tahoe Police. This was new in 98. Also with a separate piece for the light bar. Dial 911. Very cool truck. Another Chevy Tahoe, also an American card, 2000 release, also probably. This has a licensed livery of the City of Cleveland, Ohio. Department of Public Safety, Division of Police. No light bar on this one. Yeah, it says here Matchbox 2000. And then the last Matchbox is the Chevy Impala. This is in a fire rescue livery. Also has a separate piece for the light bar on top. County Fire Chief. Very cool. And then the last one is a Majorette in the SOS Cars series, the Silverado, in a lifeguard deco. Open this the wrong way. This is much easier. Yep. So this says Beach Patrol on the front fender. Plastic inserts for the headlights. The Chevy bow tie. Suspension. So not really an emergency vehicle, but you know, a beach lifeguard vehicle. Some nice details in the back. It's in the SOS Cars series, so it counts for me. So these were my 10 Chevys for the Chevy 10 car challenge. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.